Hey everyone, today we explore the 2 Kings chapter 8, a chapter rich with prophecy, restoration, and a divine justice. Elisha warns a Shunammite woman of a coming famine, advises her to leave her land. She obeys and stays in Philistia for 7 years. Upon her return, she seeks the king's help to reclaim her land. Miraculously, at the moment, Elijah's servant was telling the king her story. Moved, the king restores her land and all produce. Next, we see Elisha in Damascus with King Habadan of Aram is ill and sends Hazael to seek recovery. Elijah delivers a chilling prophecy. The king will die. Hazael will become king. Elijah foresees the suffering of Hazael upon Israel. Next day, Elijah kills the king and seizes the throne. This teaches us a powerful lesson that the importance of obedience and divine timing, and certainty of God's justice, and the sequence of the unchecked ambitions. In 2 Kings chapter 8, we are reminded that God's plan is precise and justice is inevitable. With the faithful and always rewarding, let's trust in God's timing and heed His prophecy and live with integrity. Thank you for joining in Bible study. Listen, share the word, and ask questions, do comments so we can talk.